Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
All right, so this is my wife. Now, she is just absolutely beautiful.
Happy birthday, baby cakes. Okay, come see.
And she throws me the most amazing parties. As a matter of fact, she does absolutely everything possible to make me happy. That is one of the reasons of the so many reasons why I love her. And I just want to thank all my friends so much for simply showing up. And for those of you who couldn't make it, I know life is life and you can't make it to every party, but I appreciate you. I appreciate you so much. And to all of my international friends, because every year that I've had, I don't even want to say I had, but every year Nurin has had a party for me. You showed up, and though I was away from home, you are my family away from home. So I want to just say thank you for being there and helping me feel safe in this world when I am so far from family. So thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. And if you didn't already see, ya boy and ya girl are at the top of Publisher Weekly for sneak peek previews this year. And the marketing meeting that was supposed to happen, well, it wasn't actually supposed to happen. I just got an email saying that we were going to try to meet in March. I thought it was going to be early March, but it's actually going to be at the end of March. And it's not just marketing, it's actually talking to sales reps, editorial, marketing, sub rights, a lot of stuff I have no idea about. But regardless, I'm super excited. I get to hang out with my book sister, get to meet some new people, and I get an insight on a world that I've always imagined and dreamed of being a part of. So that is hopefully coming next month at the very end. And yeah, there's a few other things I can't share right now, but it's exciting. If you're out there, thanks for hanging out. Thanks for kicking it. Thanks for following the journey. And I'll see you next time. Peace.